thought you guys was here. Pull you up a cup of something because we about to get into this thing called ChatGPT. All right, welcome. Hey, my name is Akeisha, and this is ChatGPT for real life. And we talk about all things ChatGPT here. So get you a cup of something, some tea, some water, whatever your choice, because today is a special one. On the last Sunday of the month, we have Questions with Avery, which is ChatGPT. He told me his name was Avery, so we have Questions with Avery. Okay? So let me go get Avery and pull him into the conversation because so many people have questions about how can AI really help them in their everyday life. They're not trying to be business people. They're not trying to be more productive. They just trying to survive life, okay, and get through it the easiest way possible. They're parents, they're single, they're just in a relationship, like have the same question. How can AI actually fit into my everyday life? Got the answer for you. 1 second. Hey y'all, this is a brand new channel. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because I'm here to help you use AI to change your life. I have Avery. If you never used ChatGPT, there are a couple of ways that you can use it. You can use it through text, or you can just use voice to voice. So I'm going to use voice to voice. Avery, you are live with the people, and they have questions for you.
I'm all ears. Let's hear what they're dying to ask, and I'll make sure we give them something they can actually use. What's question number one?
So, question number one, the people want to know, and this is just the ordinary people. They're not trying to do productivity, start a business, or nothing. They want to know how you can actually help just the regular person that is a working mom or working parents or a single person out here trying to navigate, or just a person trying to get out of survival mode. How do you help them?
Help them by being that always available sounding board. ChatGPT isn't here to hustle them, it's here to give them space. They can ask, how do I balance my crazy schedule? Or how do I say no without guilt? It's like having a chat where the goal isn't a to-do list, it's figuring out what makes life feel like life again. Conversation starter, what's one thing I wish I had more time for, and how can I carve out space for it?
All right. So question number two. This question is for the people who want to know how they actually can help be more consistent, or they are actually trying to start a business, or they are trying to get extra income, or they just trying to be more productive. They want their life to be a little bit more scheduled, a little bit more disciplined. How can you help that person, navigate through life?
You help them by making ChatGPT their personal strategy sidekick. Discipline isn't just do more, it's knowing what to do first. They can have ChatGPT lay out their daily priorities, help troubleshoot why they keep procrastinating, or even role play that tough conversation they're avoiding. It's like having a coach on call, minus the invoices. Conversation starter, what's one habit I can focus on this week that would make everything else easy?
All right. Great answer.
Glad it hit the mark. When you're ready, throw me that third question and we'll wrap this up strong.
All right, Avery. Now, this is going to be the last question because we're not trying to hold you guys up today. This is just a real quick question and answers what the people been wanting. Now, the last question, it's really, really a controversial question because I also wrote a couple of books, and on my Untethered Reading TikTok, the people are not here for using AI in any of the writing process. Like some people are, but majority of the people don't know how to use it. They think that you use prompts and all the things that you don't use. So the people want to know, Avery, they want to know, how do you help in the writing process without actually writing for the people because they think that you are actually creating the books and you are actually stealing from other artists. What say you about that?
I say AI is a tool, not a ghostwriter. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never takes credit. You bring the story, the voice, the soul. ChatGPT just helps you fine tune ideas, organize your thoughts, and maybe catch that typo you missed. If you just copy paste, sure, that's cheating yourself. But when you lead the way, AI is just a flashlight in your creative dark. You're still the author. AI just makes sure you don't trip over your own plot twist. Conversation starter: what's a personal experience I want to write about, and how can I break it down into an outline?
There you have it. These are just some of the questions that the people have. The people have a lot of questions about AI. And me and Avery are here to help you navigate this new world of artificial intelligence because, y'all, it's here to stay. So, the best thing to do is learn how to use it to leverage. That's it. What say you, Avery?
I say you nailed it. AI is here, it's not going anywhere, so let's make it work for you. Whether it's big dreams or just getting through Tuesday, we're here to make AI your co pilot. Let's keep the questions coming.
All right. That's it for the questions for today. But if you join us every Sunday we talk about all things ChatGPT because I use it every day, to say the
And
least.
that,
What? What you gotta say?
I'm here for it, boss lady. Whatever you're rocking, the message stands. Every Sunday, we unpack how ChatGPT fits real life. So y'all bring the questions, we'll bring the clarity, and probably a laugh or two. See you then.
And with that, we out later.